guys. So today I want to introduce you to the reading of journal articles. So journal articles are kind of abbreviation for academic peer-reviewed journal articles. So those articles published in peer-reviewed journals that are based on scientific research. Those are kind of college reading that you will encounter when you go to the second year or third year in most of the classes. So I usually read every journal article 3 times. So that's how I'm gonna kind of help you structure the reading processes. So the first time I wrote it down. We'll do like bullet points here. So the first time I read a journal article, I read the abstract. That's when I locate that specific article to put in my literature folder. I read the abstract, spend about 10 minutes, and I want to locate the major finding of that journal article. So that will be like 5 minutes. So the first round of reading, you want to spend about, let's say, approximately 15 minutes on the abstract reading and find major results. And after you kind of come up with a literature folder, or you wrote some literature synopsis, or you talk to your advisor, or you consult your teachers about the topic that you pick, then you want to come back to these journal articles and write it the second time. So the second time, you want to go to the more in-depth information in that article. So what I mean, most of the journal articles, they will have several sections. Most of them will have a section that's called method, and a section after the method section that's called result. So you want to spend about 10 minutes on the method section and 10 minutes on the result section. Well, it depends on the specific article you're reading. So for example, I study experimental psychology, and in most of the articles I read, there are more than one studies reported in the same article. So I will spend about 10 minutes to read the result section of the first study, and I will spend about 5 minutes to read the result section of the second study, the third study, and thereafter. So that's the second round of reading. That's when you already decide the topic of your reading, and you collected this bunch of literatures. And while you're writing your research paper, or you're writing whatever paper for your class, or you just want to have a more organized idea of this topic that you picked, then you want to come back to this article the third time. So the third time you come to this article, your goal is to find the answer to a specific question that you have developed while during the first and second round of reading. So hopefully towards the end of the third phase, you will grasp the most important information that's useful to you from the specific article.